isn't it great to be back in Jack Candelaria Boxing Training Center? That's right, I know it's been a while. Welcome back home. I know we've got fighters, we've got trainers, we have former fighters, former trainers, and we got neighborhood community folks, and we're all here to celebrate the comeback of this facility in a big way. And so first, of course, I just want to thank everyone who's shown up today, but most importantly, everyone who's shown up for like the last 40, 50 years to keep this program alive and to keep that amazing boxing tradition alive right here in Albuquerque. Thank you all.
This is where I started my career. You know, this gym, it has a very special place in my heart. You know, this isn't just a boxing gym to me. This is my childhood. You know, I'm gonna keep it short and simple. Just want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart, and hope you guys enjoy this gym as much as I do. Thank you.